Whether you're not happy with your audio interface's built-in mic preamps, or maybe you just want to add some analog flavor to your recordings, adding an external mic preamp can help with both of these things. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect an outboard mic preamp to an audio interface. I'm Zane, welcome to Audio Tech TV, where it's my goal to help you conquer the tech so you can unleash your creative beast. And I've included links down in the description to all of the stuff that I'm using here today, but you don't need the same audio interface or the same microphone preamp. The basics are pretty much going to be the same no matter what mic preamp or audio interface you have. So let's jump in. The mic preamp that I'm using for this is the Golden Age Project's Pre-73 MK3. But like I said, this method should work with most consumer grade microphone preamps. And what you'll need is a cable like this one right here. It's a balanced TRS cable. Now you can use like a regular TS cable if you really wanted to, but if your audio interface and your microphone preamp support balanced cables, then I highly recommend using those, as they can cut down on some of the interference that may get into your signal path. All right, what we want to do now is connect one end of the cable to the output on the microphone preamp. And then the other end is going to go into the input on your audio interface. And now you want to make sure that you turn the gain on your audio interface all the way down, so it's not up at all. And then if it's an audio interface like this one, you want to make sure that it's set to line and not instrument. You don't want it plugged into an instrument input, you want it in a line input. Now some mic preamps like this one might have an XLR output, and you might be tempted to get an XLR cable, like a microphone cable that has XLR on both ends, and plug the one end into the mic preamp, and then go from the output on there and go to the mic input on your audio interface using the XLR cable on both ends. And this is going to be incorrect, because now you're going to two different mic preamps, because you're going from your mic preamp that's external to the mic preamp that's on the audio interface, and this could create some noise. There's going to be some difference in impedance levels, and if you accidentally hit the phantom power on your audio interface, it could damage your equipment. So if your mic preamp does have the XLR output and that's the only option, then get one of the XLR to 1/4 inch cables, and then you could plug the XLR to the output of your mic preamp, and the 1/4 inch would go into the line input on your audio interface. All right, I just quickly want to ask, if you're enjoying this video so far and getting some value out of it, can you please give it a thumbs up? It really helps my channel out, and I appreciate it so much. And why not subscribe while you're at it? Now back into the video. So now what I'm going to do is, I have a microphone connected to the mic preamp, and I'm going to start recording that. And I'm going to adjust the output level on the mic preamp, so you can see that you're controlling the levels on the mic pre, and it doesn't matter that you have the gain turned down on your audio interface. All right, so I'm talking into the microphone right now and adjusting the gain on the mic preamp as I talk. And you can see the levels going up in our software right there. And they're going up, up, up. That's a little hot, so we'll turn it back now. And you can see that we're controlling the levels with the microphone preamp, and it doesn't matter that the gain on the audio interface is turned all the way down. This is just being controlled by the external mic preamp. Another cool thing about connecting a mic preamp like this is that you can connect a guitar or bass guitar into it. As you can see, this one has a DI on the front, and this is going to give you some added character to your guitar or bass. And I record all of my bass tracks this way. I really like the way they sound going through the Pre-73 mic preamp. Getting the sound and the tone that you want when recording will make things way easier on you than trying to achieve that sound through mixing and editing and adding plugins. Start with great sounding tracks, and your mixing life is going to be so much easier. Also, sometimes adding a little old school analog character is a nice added touch that can help you sound different from other home studio musicians. Now, if you want to check out some more music production tips for beginners, click up here, or click down here to see what YouTube recommends. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. For Audio Tech TV, I'm Zane. Keep creating, and we'll talk soon.